Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are square wedding album. These all files are in PSD format. Just extract it. Here you can see this is page 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and so on till page 14, 15 and page front page and back page. The page 1 is basically front page and the last page is basically the back page. So just open the page 2 and 3. So this is 2 pages but in square as square wedding album, and this is page 2 and 3, and you can edit it. Here you can add any text and background images, and you can change the text and photos. You can add photo, drag your image here, and photo 3 and bloodline and so on. You can easily edit it. So now just open other and so on. I know you can do this. If you're watching this, you basically know how to operate the Photoshop, and you can edit this easily. This is given templates, and again here you can add any photo. Just drag photo 3 and so on. This photo will be appear here and the text is all visible. Now just open last and front page, front and back page. And here completely you can add 9 photos, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and you can edit text, this text, and also this text is everything is editable. I hope you can download this easily from the link in the description. Just click on this link and you will add there. You can also download album design. Just click on album design, and here open square wedding album, and here you can download it from here. Just you can wait 30 seconds and then the link button will appear here and you can download it, and you can leave any comments here, your suggestion. And thanks for watching. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also like this video. Take care.